So the third question is, do you feel stressed the night before exams even after preparation? ये बहुत बार होता है, ब्राइट बच्चों के साथ भी होता है, सबके साथ होता है. ब्राइट से मेरा मतलब हाई स्कोरर, वरना सारे बच्चे ब्राइट होते हैं. दिस आई नो. ओनली उनकी ब्राइटनेस जो है कई बार स्पोर्ट्स में, कई बार ऑनलाइन गेम्स में, कई बार फ्रेंडशिप्स में वहां चलती है. बट देन नाउ द एग्जाम्स आर देयर, सो द फोकस, आवर ब्राइटनेस शुड बी illuminating our preparations. That is there. So when we start overthinking of the outcomes, then we feel that कि अरे अगर मैंने टॉप कर लिया तो क्या होगा, मैंने जो ये क्वेश्चन लिखा है मैं भूल जाऊंगा तो कैसे होगा. कोई नहीं भूलता है. जो आपने याद किया है, whatever is in your memory, it has, and the memory, when I say, when you have learned actively, when you have revised after the answers, or verbally telling or teaching somebody. In my workshop, I laid a lot of focus on teaching the peers, teaching the mirror, teaching yourself, your siblings about the concept you want to be 100% sure, and making it as simple as possible for anybody to understand. So definitely that is not going to be wiped away from that. So focus on the preparation and cover the syllabus. So this thing will be, you will not feel stressed before the night before the exams. और बोर्ड एग्जाम भी एग्जाम ही होते हैं. 10th क्लास में, 12th क्लास में 10 साल से एग्जाम ही दे रहे हो. सो कभी ऐसा हुआ है? एंड द टीचर्स, बस द ओनली थिंग इज इट विल बी असेस्ड बाय another teachers, but they are also teachers. They also know the students, so they know the psyche and all those. So don't be stressed at all about the checking, about the question paper, because it will be shared. It will be, the question paper will not only be for you, it will be for the entire nation. So when the papers are set, we keep the entire nation in our mind. So the next question is, are stress and fear affecting your exam performance? Yes, many a times this happens, and I always suggest make a routine. रूटीन में ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है. सुबह उठना है, क्विकली फ्रेश होके अपना मैथ्स करनी है, उसके 1 घंटे बाद आपने ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, उसके बाद आपने जो है साइंस और सोशल साइंस करना है, एंड देन व्हेन आफ्टरनून हिंदी और इंग्लिश करना है. सो रूटीन बनाना है. मे बी अगर एक सब्जेक्ट कोई लेके बैठे हो तो डिफिकल्ट 1 टॉपिक्स पहले करने हैं, प्रैक्टिस वाले उसके बाद में करने हैं, और जो थोड़ा सा लेथार्जिक फील करते हो, सो देन यू कैन डू द English and or the any other languages. So, and we should always have energy breaks. 10 minutes ka, 50 minutes studies, 10 minutes break. So when we start doing those, taking those breaks, energy breaks I call that. So then I think our stress will be under our control. Don't take ये पूरा unit कैसे खत्म होगा. So take the unit, divide it into chapters, divide it into subtopics, and cover one by one. अगर सारे नहीं भी होते हैं तो okay, whatever you have been able to do, compile, concise, and then take the sample paper questions from that part only. Then comes the last question. Do you struggle to remain calm and focused in the examination hall? So I will say yes, this is the question. This happens to the children writing the board exam for the first time, especially the first exam. And this time the first exam is of math, so we need to be very, very mindful about that. So when we enter, we should focus on our breath, sit down, keep our stationery aside, drink a sip of water, chant the Gayatri mantra 5 times, and practice deep breathing. Look at the question paper, and when you see the question paper, do not write anything on the paper, but then in your mind you can say, okay, I plan the strategy how you will be able to do that. And I am sure gradually, as you are accustomed, look at every corner, feel the whole room, how does it appear, where the clock is, where the cameras are, where the teachers are sitting. So when we make our mind aware of our surroundings, we still feel calmer, and we can spend, that is why it is very important to reach the center 15 to 20 minutes before that. Once again, all the best for your preparations for your board exams.